We're primarily a development company, so we specialise in everything property. Although we're situated within Chrysalis Group Services as a subsidiary, we actually offer services to the entire group in a variety of different ways. But we also offer our services to local authorities, to private individuals, and to other corporate entities and people like care providers or those delivering specialist care. We are set up to drive up the standards, the quality, the provision of specialist accommodation. So specialised supported housing, exempt accommodation, care provision, anything that requires a property to be delivered to a certain specification in order to attend to a vulnerable person's needs. But we also work in the general market and we develop in the general market. But one of the key emphasis that we focus on is delivering quality and consistency. We also invest and we bring together investment across the group, but we also invest into the products that we deliver and into other companies that we work with. We've been in the market collectively as a group for over 20 years. In that time, we've saw many changes in the regulatory landscape. We saw many changes in the challenges that providers and individuals face when it comes to property solutions. We aim to be the solution to a lot of those challenges, and we work from individual people by offering services such as building maintenance, property management, refurbishment, loft extensions, wet rooms, building extensions, landscaping, commercial maintenance services, all the way to working with real estate investment trusts, delivering portfolios of accommodation to a specific person's need. We also provide advice and we consult and we support the process of bringing together different stakeholders across the supported housing landscape, and we work with registered providers, housing associations and local authorities to do that. Also, we provide maintenance services which are about focusing on the regulatory landscape again when we have to be attentive to the type of repairs that we're offering, the cyclical, the maintenance, the emergency repair services. So we also offer those types of services, and we offer those to private individuals and other companies. We can work with anybody from a housing association to a private individual to a commercial landlord, whether it's student lets, HMOs, or whether you are a housing association. We also build out properties, redevelop, repurpose, and facilitate the use of specialist design principles in attending to very kind of complex asks when it comes to providing accommodation that is for vulnerable people with complex needs. And so we work very closely with our teams and our stakeholders in bringing together the design and making sure that these are future-proof designs. And what we mean by that is that the needs of the person using the properties changes, then the property itself can change and adapt to suit those needs. Or if those tenants, for example, move on or need something else, that we can adapt the property to meet the needs of several other groups or types of tenant with different types of needs. We offer lifelong, cyclical, sinking fund and responsive types of maintenance services across all sectors, including the care sector, the housing association sector, and private sectors. We also offer commercial operations where you have a large block of buildings or a large portfolio of buildings and you require specialist management. You require somebody who you can trust understands the compliance landscape. One of the things that we do with maintenance, we have a fully audited, responsive set of tools and measures and audits that kind of help you meet your obligatory legal and regulatory requirements. So we can do that for you so that you can get on with the everyday business of whatever it is that you do, whether you're a care provider, whether you're a housing association, whether you're a private landlord, whether you're an institutional landlord. We take all of that responsibility and we provide you with fully audited, fully tracked maintenance and buildings services. We are here also to, as I said, provide investment across a number of different platforms. We invest directly in schemes, properties and services and different types of businesses. And we also bring together partners who wish to invest or who wish to enter into joint venture arrangements. And we also provide a number of property management options that you yourself can make use of. So whether you're a small landlord or it's a complex regulated entity such as a housing association, being from a housing association background, we understand the landscape, so we can help you get your compliance and your auditing and your reporting requirements in place. We can assist with build, design, the ongoing management of any types of properties. But equally, if you are a different type of landlord, then we can help you meet all of your compliance requirements. And especially as things change, as it often does in the regulated kind of landscape, the legal landscape and the care landscape, we keep up to date. All of our staff are fully trained. All of our operatives are fully supported in order to be able to provide you with the best possible service.